start the recording, and then I'll put your first person in.
Okay, I just saw that Bear County is shutting down tomorrow too.
We'll see what happens.
Well, I gotta work tomorrow. I mean, I gotta get to my office tomorrow. Bernie's canceled their court tomorrow.
At least you don't have to travel.
I gotta get to my office. Hey, Miss Goodwin, can you hear me?
Why does she look familiar?
Miss Goodwin, can you hear me? You can't have my shoe.
You need to let her get on camera.
What?
You need to let her get on camera.
Who, the dog?
Yes.
I'll show her to you in a minute. Miss Goodwin, can you hear me? Later. She is really bored.
I can imagine not being able to get outside.
Raider, no. Well, at least I take care of my dog's cases. Don't know about Miss Goodwin.
And she's a show cause hearing.
For what?
93 and a 65. Failure to appear. You gave her 49 hours of community service within 90 days. And no hours. Oh, no, they tried to attempted to call and verify hours multiple times. We did not receive any callbacks. So we are not able to do it. We weren't able to verify her hours at all.
Where does it show she did them?
Let me look at the sheet real quick. Beat AIDS.
Who?
Beat AIDS.
Beat.
B-E-A-T. Let me see if there's other notes in here. Yeah. Oh, I think this is the young lady that wanted you to just drop all of them.
Well, sure.
But we could not verify the hours.
Did you have a number to call?
Yep.
Beat eggs.
AIDS. AIDS.
Oh, AIDS. I thought you said eggs.
No.
If you want to beat eggs, so you get an egg beater.
You want me to bring the next person in? There's only one.
Yeah, I guess so. If she's not going to join us. Hello, can you tell me who's on the line? Hello, phone number ending in 421. Can you identify yourself?
Isaac Garrett?
Isaac Garrett?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mr. Garrett, I'm at home, and so the only person who have access to your file is our court administrator. I don't know. Damn it. Sorry, I'm at home too.
All right.
With my dog, who's being a pest right now. Vicki, what does Mr. Garrett have?
This is a show cause. He was supposed to make his sworn statement and did not appear.
Okay, what was the charge?
Let me look. He's got two different ones. Isaac, okay. He has an open container and a possession charge. So let me see if they got notes. Okay, we verified his community. So all he needs to do is make his sworn statement on
Open
both
container
charges.
and PDP or what?
Yeah, open container and PDP. Yes, sir.
And when was he placed on deferred?
July 21st.
Okay, Mr. Garrett, you
Yes,
gonna
sir.
tell me the truth to the questions I ask you?
Absolutely.
Okay, well, since July 21st, have you been cited for any offenses involving either drugs or alcohol in any jurisdiction?
No, sir.
No more, you didn't pick up a PI or a DWI or a possession of marijuana case,
No,
anything
sir.
like that?
I haven't been pulled over at all.
Have you been arrested on any warrants?
No, sir. Not. No, sir.
All right, Mr. Garrett. I'm not sure why you didn't come in the first time, but this will take care
To
of
be
it.
honest, when I went up to take my community service papers up there, nobody was up there due to COVID. And so I just spoke to a phone and they said they would be in contact. I figured that meant that they were going to contact me in how to continue with this. Because I know
Okay.
that I had to show that I had a liability insurance at that time, which I did take that paper up with me. But seeing nobody was at the court, I didn't know what the next move was. So I pretty much dismissed that next court date.
Okay, very good. All right, Mr. Garrett. Well, thank you for calling in. The case will be dismissed and you can leave the meeting.
All right, I do have a couple questions.
Yes, sir.
I had firearms taken out of my vehicle. I do not have a concealed carry right now. I do plan on getting it, but I was wondering how to proceed with getting my firearms. I understood once I got the letter from you guys that I needed to appear via Zoom. I understood why the man wasn't calling me back to pick up my firearms, but I've tried calling him a couple times and haven't gotten anything back from him.
Well, that's something you're going to have to take up with the police department.
Mhm.
I don't know if they filed a case against you in the county court for unlawfully carrying a weapon.
No, they did not. I was told they weren't. They didn't.
Okay, so that obtaining that release, of course, I'm not sure they're going to release it to you without a concealed carry permit, but that's something you're going to have to work out with the police department.
Yes, sir. All right. And is there anything else that I need to do, or is this a completely closed case?
Well, as far as these two cases are concerned, they're closed. Like I said, if there was an at-large unlawfully carrying case to be filed, I don't know anything about it, and that's going to be between you and the police department.
Yes, sir. Okay. I will continue trying to get in touch with them and see if I can pick them up. That would be it. I certainly appreciate you.
Okay, Mr. Garrett, good luck to you.
Yes, sir. You too. Take care. Stay warm.
Yeah, thank you. You do the same, sir. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Bye-bye.
We'll try Miss Goodwin again.
Ryder, come here. Miss Goodwin? Miss Goodwin? You got anybody else on there?
No, sir. Just those two.
what you're into. Miss Goodwin.
I'm sorry, I put her back in the waiting room.
Well, that's fine. That's where she needs to be. Let me see what my dog is into. You do not need to be in there. No. You do not need to be in there. And you don't need to be in here. Now, that's all. Okay? Okay, I'll show you Raider here in a second while we're waiting. Raider, come here.
What is she tearing up?
Well, I couldn't.
She's cute.
A boxer?
Yeah. Oh my gosh, she's adorable. Uh-oh. That walk looks like I didn't do anything, Daddy. Were you talking to me? Because you're muted.
Yes, I was talking to you. Who else would I talk to?
I have no idea.
So I've got a Zoom hearing Friday morning early, and maybe I can come over Friday morning after that and sign stuff, or I don't want to leave it for 2 more weeks.
Oh, I understand, sir. I just want you also to be careful.
Well, by Friday, it's going to be fine. We got sunshine over here, so we got stuff melting. Of course, you can't see out the window.
Well, I walked toward the door. I noticed there is a little sunshine. We'll see what it does tonight if we actually get that rain or moisture.
I just need to get my driveway. I've got a very slight drive here. We don't have to record and